Hello students, today we'll discuss about electricity, that is the topic of 10th class physics. Okay, now start electricity. Now we start from the topic how an electric current flows in conductor or wire, कि कैसे आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो करता है किसी वायर में. A conductor like a copper having number of free electrons. Okay, they have in all directions, move in all directions. Okay, like his. When a cell or battery, when a cell is connected across a wire, one end becomes positive, other becomes negative, because battery have two terminals, positive, negative. So potential difference set up across conductor. Okay, potential difference drift the electrons from one end to other. When potential difference set up in a conductor by battery, the electron start to move. Okay, from one end to another end, then current begins to flow. Next, obviously, current will start when cell or battery connected to a conductor, electrons start flow. Okay. Now direction of electric current as a convention. Convention means old method, पुराने तौर तरीके से. Direction of electric current is in the direction of flow of positive charge. If a conductor connected to a cell, electric current is due to the flow of negatively charged electrons. Electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. Okay, means if anyone say or ask, conventionally direction that is flow of positive charge. But when we say potential difference set up or battery is connected to conductor, then the current is due to flow of negatively charged electrons. Okay, that is only conventional due to positive flow. So here we write that is the conductor, this is battery, means negative charge flow, positive. Okay, here negative. Now electric circuit. Now what is electric circuit? Is an arrangement of electric source, some instrument which is utilizing energy, and defined as the electric circuit is closed connecting path. Closed means current flow, a source of electric energy and a device utilizing electric means एक तो उसमें क्या हो, मतलब कि करंट फ्लो का मीडियम हो, वायर हो, कंडक्टर हो. ओके, और जो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी को यूज करे, कंज्यूम करे, यूटिलाइज करे, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए सर्किट. ना ओपन सर्किट, an electric circuit in which no current is flow. Okay, that is called open circuit. And closed circuit, an electric circuit through which electric current flows continuously. Means अगर आप कंटिन्यूसली फ्लो करें, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्लोज सर्किट. मीन्स हमने बटन को ऑन किया तो करंट फ्लो करेगा, लाइट हमारे तक आएगी. ओके, ना ओम्स लॉ. बिफोर डिस्कसिंग दिस आई टेल यू सम simple topic. Let us consider if we touch one cell, means 1.5 volt pass through body. If we touch two cell, 3 volt, means more current pass through body. And if we connect 4 cells, means 6 volt, means as the voltage increases, current also increases. That is voltage proportional to current. That is according to Ohm's law. Current flowing through a conductor is डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस इज एंड्स. मीन्स जैसे जैसे आपकी वोल्टेज बढ़े, करंट भी बढ़ेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. नाउ वी रिमूव द साइन ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी एंड पुट आर. वी इज इक्वल टू आई आर, वेयर आर इज कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी एंड नोन एज रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ कंडक्टर. नाउ व्हाट इज रेजिस्टेंस? रेजिस्टेंस मीन्स टू रेजिस्ट, टू अपोजिट, टू अपोज. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कंडक्टर विच अपोज द फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज थ्रू इट. मीन्स कि किसी कंडक्टिव प्रॉपर्टीज में वो चार्ज फ्लो होने को रोक रहा है, अपोज कर रहा है, रेजिस्ट कर रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड रेजिस्टेंस. Now V is equal to IR from Ohm's law and R is equal to V by I. Also, resistance of a conductor is defined as the ratio of potential difference voltage and current. Okay, that is also Ohm's law. Also, definite resistance. Now, unit of resistance is ohm, and V for volt, I for ampere. current unit of current, means 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere, that is volt by ampere or volt per ampere. Resistance is said to be 1 ohm if potential difference across any conductor is 1 volt and current flowing through that is 1 ampere. Then resistance is set to 1 ohm. Now graph between potential difference and current. Okay. Here, as we say, as V increases, I also increases. So the graph is a straight line. Okay. Now cause of resistance. How the resistance produce itself in a conductor? As we know, a conductor has a large number of free electrons. Okay. When a potential difference develop across a conductor, मीन जब उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्ट करते हैं बैटरी से जोड़ते हैं, then these electrons move from one end to other, मूव करने शुरू हो जाते हैं. During their movement they collide with now when they move they collide with another, वो आपस में भिड़ते हैं. And with atoms, these collision oppose the movement of free electrons, मीन्स आपस में जब वो कोलाइड करते हैं तो उनकी मूवमेंट अपोज होती है. The opposition due to their collision in a conductor known as resistance. अब ये जो collision के कारण जो opposition है, that is called resistance. More the collision by electrons, more will be the resistance of conductor. Okay, means resistance is mainly due to collision of electrons when any conductor connected with a cell or battery or a source of electricity. Now factors on which resistance of a conductor depend. First is the length of conductor. Here resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length of conductor, means as length increases resistance increases. 50-meter wire has a less resistance because length is less, and 100-meter as compared to 50-meter it is having more resistance because its length is more. Okay. Area of cross section. Area of cross section means thickness of a conductor are inversely proportional to 1 by A. As we know, inversely means if this increases, this decreases, this increases, then this decreases, means opposite है. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross sections, means that is thin wire, that is thick wire, it is having a high resistance, it is having a low resistance. Now why it is having high resistance and it is a low resistance? Because this is having a thin path, this is having a thick path, more path. Okay, here I write here resistance A is having less path for electrons and B having more path for electrons, for the flow of electrons. So flow easily, collision less, so resistance less. Okay. Nature of material. Resistance of a conductor depends upon the nature of material by which it is made. Okay, like here we take example 1. Aluminium and copper. Aluminium having high resistance and copper having low resistance. Now effect of temperature. As the temperature increases, the resistance also increases. Now here first length, second area of cross section by these are proportional to L by A. Okay, R is equal to rho L by A, and rho is the constant of proportionality known as specific resistance or resistivity. Okay students, next topic we will discuss more about this chapter. Till then stay with us. Thanks.